You're using the shampoos, the oils, the mask sand, yet your hair just won't grow. You're not alone. Most people unknowingly sabotage their hair growth without realizing it. But what if I told you there are 10 powerful, science-backed tips that can finally unlock your hair's true potential? This video isn't just another list, it's a roadmap. Stay with me till the end, because tip number 10, it might be the one thing standing between you and the hair you've always wanted. 1. Daily scalp massage. With or without oil, one of the easiest and most effective ways to stimulate hair growth is through daily scalp massage. Massaging the scalp boosts blood flow to the hair follicles, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients where growth begins. A few minutes a day can make a real difference. Use the pads of your fingers and apply gentle circular motions all over your scalp. If you want to level it up, use a scalp massager brush or a few drops of growth-boosting oil like rosemary, peppermint, or bringrage. Even 5 minutes of daily massage can reduce stress, loosen buildup, and wake up dormant follicles. It's best done before bed or while relaxing. Over time, this habit helps your scalp stay healthy and may even increase the thickness and speed of your hair growth. 2. Use rosemary oil, nature's minoxidil. Rosemary oil is not just a trendy remedy, backed by studies. In fact, a 2015 study showed that rosemary oil performed just as well as minoxidil, the active ingredient in Rogaine, when applied regularly. The difference? Rosemary has no harsh side effects. To use, mix 3 to 5 drops of rosemary essential oil into a tablespoon of a carrier oil like coconut, jojoba, or almond oil. Massage it into your scalp and leave it on for at least 30 minutes, then wash out with a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. You can also add a few drops directly to your shampoo bottle. Within 2 to 3 months, users often report less hair shedding, faster growth, and stronger roots. 3. Eat a hair-healthy diet. It starts inside. Your hair is made of keratin, a protein, so what you eat matters a lot. If your diet is lacking in protein, iron, or essential vitamins, your hair may never reach its growth potential. Focus on protein-rich foods like eggs, lentils, fish, chicken, and tofu. For iron and zinc, go for leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and red meat if you eat it. Omega-3 fatty acids from flax seeds, walnuts, or salmon help nourish the scalp and reduce inflammation. And don't forget vitamins. Biotin, B7, vitamin D, and E are critical. Hydration also plays a role. Your scalp needs water too. If you're dealing with hair fall or stunted growth, a blood test might help identify deficiencies. 4. Shampoo less. Go sulfate-free. Overwashing your hair can strip it of the natural oils it needs to stay strong and moist. If you're shampooing daily with a harsh formula, you might be doing more harm than good. Aim to wash your hair just 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your scalp type. And always use a sulfate-free shampoo. It's gentler on your scalp and won't disrupt your natural pH. Sulfates can lead to dryness, flaking, and increased breakage, especially for curly or textured hair. If you have an oily scalp, use a clarifying shampoo once a week to remove buildup, but follow it with a deep conditioner. 5. Exfoliate your scalp weekly. Just like your skin, your scalp needs exfoliation. Buildup from oil, dead skin, and products can clog hair follicles and block growth. Exfoliating once a week keeps the scalp clean, boosts blood flow, and allows treatments to penetrate better. You can use a physical scrub made for the scalp, or a chemical exfoliant like one with glycolic or salicylic acid. Massage gently for a few minutes, let it sit, then rinse thoroughly. This clears the way for new, healthy hair to grow and helps reduce dandruff or irritation. 6. Moisturize, seal the ends. Hair growth isn't just about what's happening at the roots, it's also about preserving the length you already have. Dry, unmoisturized ends break easily. After washing or on damp hair, apply a leave-in conditioner or hydrating serum. Then seal it with a lightweight oil like argan, grapeseed, or avocado oil. This technique, called the LOC method, liquid oil cream, locks in moisture and keeps your strands elastic and healthy. Focus especially on the midlengths and ends, where the hair is oldest and most fragile. Doing this regularly reduces split ends, makes hair softer, and helps you retain growth. 7. Rinse with cold water. At the end of your shower, switch the water to cold and rinse your hair for 30 seconds. Why? Cold water helps close the hair cuticle, sealing in moisture and reducing frizz. It also gives your hair a natural shine and strengthens the shaft. While it won't directly grow your hair, it helps protect the hair you're growing, reducing damage. Hot water, on the other hand, can dry out the scalp and weaken hair strands. The cold rinse may also boost scalp circulation, slightly supporting healthy follicles. It's a small habit with big cumulative impact. Point 8. Limit heat and tight hairstyles. Heat. Styling tools like flat irons, curling wands, and blow dryers can damage the hair shaft and cause long-term breakage. If you use heat regularly, always use a heat protectant spray, and keep the temperature below 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 grados. Also, avoid tight hairstyles like high ponytails, braids, or buns that pull on the scalp. These can cause stress on the hair follicles and even lead to traction alopecia over time. Let your hair rest with loose styles, and embrace natural texture when possible. Point 9. Sleep on silk or satin. Your cotton pillowcase may be damaging your hair overnight. Cotton absorbs moisture and creates friction that leads to tangles, frizz, and breakage. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase to protect your hair as you sleep. It helps retain moisture, reduce split ends, and keep your style intact longer. For extra protection, wear a satin bonnet or scarf, especially if you have curls or long hair. Sleeping right is one of the easiest ways to preserve your hair's strength without doing anything extra during the day. 10b. Consistent plus track progress. Hair doesn't grow overnight. On average, it grows about half an inch per month. That's why consistency is key. Pick 3 to 4 of these tips to implement, and stick with them for at least 90 days. Track your routine with a hair journal or app. Take progress photos once a week in the same lighting. You'll be surprised how small changes add up over time. Avoid hopping between too many products. Give things time to work. If you stay committed, results will come. That's it. 10 proven tips to help you unlock faster, stronger hair growth. Remember, healthy hair takes time, consistency, and care. Let me know in the comments which tips you're trying first. And if you have a hair routine that works wonders for you, drop it below. I may feature it in a future video. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos on skincare, hair care, and real-life transformations. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier,